And then we got what she looked like on the side. Hello everybody. So today is a beautiful day out, so I decided to find myself a vehicle to do a video on. So today I am going to do a video on this awesome vehicle that was rebuilt to what it is now, and you guys will see it here in just a second. All right, so this here is a 1949 Chevy. I'm here with my buddy Dan, but he doesn't want to be on video, but this is his beautiful 49 Chevy. When you got this, what did it look like?
Had bullet holes through the window, all different color primer. And...
Wow. So yeah, we're gonna show you some photos of what this thing looked like when you got it and what it looks like now. You can see he's done a beautiful job on it. This is just your everyday driver, huh? It's got a great interior. Look at this interior. It's got lavender and black. I love it. Now you said you got your engine in here. You said what's with the engine?
235.
235 6-cylinder? Inline six.
Original.
All original, and you rebuilt it, or did it?
No.
No, it worked?
Yep.
So this has never been touched?
No.
Wow. Look at this truck. The profile on this thing is gorgeous. I love that front end. So how many hours do you have into rebuilding this?
Oh. Probably, 8 hours. Off and on, probably a year and a half.
Year and a half, so wow. Now is this the original wood bed, or did you redo that as well?
Did that.
Okay, you redid the bed?
Yeah.
This is a beautiful truck. He's done.
Have one in it when I got it.
Oh, okay, so it was just the frame of the bed?
Yeah.
Nice. So you said you have a year and a half into rebuilding this? And it's your everyday driver, huh?
Yeah, and it's not really perfect, but
it's the love that matters. It's bringing back history. So this is the beautiful truck. Can we hear what she sounds like? Go ahead and get it cranked up. We'll hear what she sounds like. Give me a second, guys. All right, we're gonna get her cranked up and see what this thing sounds like.
he's a little.
Well, it's a 49. There we go. Listen to that. Get a little rumbly back here. Wow, it's got a good sound. It's not too loud, and it cranked up on the first crank. And it's been sitting all winter, so listen to that. Beautiful truck. Let's go for a ride. All right, so I'm in yet another vehicle with no seatbelts, because in 1949 they're not required, and if you rebuild it to original, you don't have to put them in. If you customize it, then you do. It's got a 3 on the tree.
Yep.
Nice. So this is a beautiful truck. So you said you never want to go past 50-55 in this, of course, because, well, not only the age, but for safety reasons with no seatbelts. Wow, this thing rides smooth. Man, I need to get something like this, because I love these old cars. You just drive through the country, and he got the radio up here. This used to be what it was. You said the controls were up here, and the radio itself was actually down here.
Yeah,
Factory-wise. But this is basically an all-original truck. Dan has done a beautiful job with this. Woo, that was fun. Bouncy. Whee! And it's allergy season, so my allergies are acting up, guys. So if I cough, I'm sorry. Wow. Man. Yeah, this thing's got stance going down the road. Back in the day, they were never wide. I don't see how they fit 3 people in these back in the days.
No.
What do you got? I got headroom. That's not bad. That hood ornament just sticking out there saying, "I'm going, look at me." Wow, this thing rides like a dream. Oh, the hood didn't go up.
Yeah, it does that.
No.
No, that's off a 50 Chevy.
Off a 50 Chevy?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Lights come on and that glass lights up.
Oh, okay. Well, so when lights on? You said the glass on top lights up? Oh, that's got to be a beautiful view at night. Wow, this is a beautiful truck.
Of course, you gotta have a purple light in there.
Oh yeah, you got to get a purple light in there. Oh, we can get a purple light for you. That's definitely an easy one. All the steak walking through the field. Steak and hamburger and Okay, I'm not. I love the Black Egg. That's a big farm. Wow. See, that's what I love about coming out in the country on the back roads. You never know what you're gonna find sitting on a farm. And I was just driving one day and I came across and started chatting with Dan, and he's definitely got some fun ones. Whee!
Yes, you got the manpower.
Yeah.
Steering.
Yeah, manual steering. You got to have muscle to drive this thing.
Strong arm.
You got to beat it up. That's why I'm glad I have an automatic or power steering. Ooh, because I don't have the muscle for it anymore. I drove that 1930 Ford. Man, that thing was that's an art form to drive. This is too. Well, this isn't as bad because
No.
it's yeah. Well, the 3 on the tree is one I've never driven before, but all the original gauges. This thing, and I know you have to push this pedal right there to start it, and then there's your gas pedal.
Yeah.
So, yeah, back in the days when you actually had to work to drive. Nowadays, you just turn your key. You don't even have to turn your key. You just push a button. Most cars.
Yep.
So, and you got the Ooga horn on this?
Oh yeah.
Beautiful truck. So we'll see in just a second. We're going to show you the work he's done to it. Some you don't see anymore is these old crank windows. Yes, you have to turn that and you can put your window up or down. Nowadays you just push a button. I love the good old days. An even more fun one, that's your windshield wiper knob. So all this, your windshield wiper knob is right there. So you turn it on and it uses a vacuum and cleans off your windshield. That's so cool. So this is what she looked like when Dan got her. This is the front, and then we got what she looked like on the side and the rear. That is a beautiful truck. And then this is what he turned it into. We've got the side view, we've got the driver's side view, and the new bed. That is a lot of work. That is from that to that. That is an absolutely beautiful restoration. Well, that's it, guys. 1949 Chevy 300. Absolutely beautiful truck, completely restored. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.